doing gardening at my boyfriend's house he bought back in February, and there's this disgusting bush that I wanted to rip out, but I just found a bunch of baby birds. I think the mom's chirping at me, but I just wanted to do a quick video of it. Looks like 3 of them. So cute. Hopefully my dog doesn't find them and kills them, because she probably would do that, because thinks she's a hunting dog. Oh, there's 4 of them. Focus. They're so cute. I don't know what they are. Not till the mama comes back. That's the mother of the baby birdies. Have no idea what it is, but the babies are cute. Right near our pond.